In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft Teams email address in just 5 minutes. Now, if you've recently changed your primary email address or need to manage your Microsoft account more effectively, this guide will walk you through it step by step, ensuring a smooth transition. First, you'll need to head over to your Microsoft account. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to accountmicrosoft.com. This page is the central hub for managing all aspects of your Microsoft account, including security settings, subscriptions, and personal information. Once you're there, log in using your current Microsoft credentials. If you're already logged into Microsoft services, you may be directed right to the account dashboard. Once you're safely inside your account, look for the option labeled Your Info. Typically, this can be found as a tab or a link on the top menu or sidebar, depending on the layout of the site you're using. Clicking Your Info takes you to a personal profile page where all your personal details are stored. This includes your current email addresses and other essential personal data linked to your Microsoft account. On your personal info page, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Account Info section. Again, this should be readily visible and may even be a subsection of the Your Info page. This part of the site deals specifically with how your account is recognized and accessed by various Microsoft services, including Microsoft Teams. After you've entered the Account Info section, look for the option to Edit Account Info. This link allows you to make changes to the details associated with your account. Clicking it will open up editable fields, giving you the opportunity to adjust your information as needed. Now, to remove your old email address, locate the current registered email and the adjacent Remove button. By selecting this option, you'll be initiating the process to dissociate your old address entirely from your Microsoft account. Don't worry, after clicking Remove, the system will guide you through the necessary confirmation steps to ensure this action is what you intend. With the old email out of the way, it's time to add a new email address. You'll find an Add Email button, usually beneath the area where you removed the old address. Click on this to begin adding a new email. This new address will act as an alias and can be used seamlessly across your Microsoft services, including Teams. So there you have it. You've successfully updated your Microsoft Teams email address. It's always a good idea to verify that your new email is correctly receiving account-related emails from Microsoft. This can usually be done by checking your email's inbox for any verification messages or notifications from Microsoft about the changes you made. And that's it. Quick, simple, and effective. Thank you for tuning in, and happy emailing.